Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. If your iPhone stuck on widescreen while updating the iOS 16, then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first and basic method is the force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the forced restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. Then we have to launch settings and tap general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. And also we have to check the list and find the iOS update, delete that update, then go back to general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. iPhone passcode, all settings to confirm. All these steps, go back to general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version without any error. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.